What if you've been focusing on the wrong thing? Most people chase goals: lose 20 pounds, run a marathon, write a book. But James Clear says that goals aren't what really change your life. Habits do. And not just any habits. Atomic habits, small routines that seem insignificant in the moment, but compound over time into massive results. In other words, tiny is powerful. At the heart of atomic habits is this idea: identity is more important than outcomes. Clear says real change doesn't happen when you say, "I want to read more." It happens when you say, "I'm a reader." Identity drives behavior. The more you repeat an action, the more you reinforce the identity behind it. Read one page, cast a vote for becoming a reader. Go on one walk. You cast a vote for being someone who values health. Goals are the result. Habits shape who you become. So how do habits actually work? Claire breaks it down into what he calls the habit loop. Every habit follows the same basic pattern: cue, craving, response, reward. You see something, you want something. You do something, you get something. It's automatic. Scroll your phone when you're bored. It's a cue-response-reward loop. Eat when you're stressed. Same thing. The brain wants quick payoffs, and it remembers what works. But here's the good news. You can use that same loop to build better habits. Clear offers 4 steps what he calls the 4 laws of behavior change. 1. Make it obvious. Design your environment so good habits are right in front of you. Want to read more? Put the book on your pillow. Want to drink more water? Put a bottle on your desk. If a habit is visible, you're more likely to do it. 2. Make it attractive. Link the habit with something you already enjoy. Listen to your favorite podcast while cleaning. Watch your favorite show while folding laundry. When you enjoy the experience, repetition comes naturally. 3. Make it easy. Start small, really small. 1 sentence, 1 push-up, 1 minute. You're not aiming to impress anyone, you're building a system you can stick with. Simplicity beats intensity, every time. 4. Make it satisfying. Create a sense of reward. Track your streak. Cross off the calendar. Your brain craves feedback. Give it something to celebrate. Still, people get frustrated when results don't show up immediately. But that's the wrong way to think about it. Clear talks about the plateau of latent potential. It's like heating an ice cube in a freezing room. You raise the temperature, 25, 26, 27 degrees. Nothing happens, then at 32, it melts. But it wasn't that 1 degree, it was all the ones before it. It's how habits work. Progress is slow, then sudden, then unstoppable. And the scary part, bad habits work the same way. Skip the gym once? Not a big deal. But skip it for a month, and now it's a pattern. Stay up late a few nights. Harmless. But over time, your energy tanks, your focus slips, your motivation dries up. Small actions lead to big consequences, good or bad. Clear's message is simple. Direction matters more than perfection. You don't need to be perfect every day. You just need to keep showing up. Keep casting votes for the person you want to be. Atomic Habits isn't about overnight transformation. It's about playing the long game. Small habits, daily choices, quiet momentum. It's how you change your life. 1 rep, 1 sentence, 1 choice at a time.